So you want to start a YouTube channel. I've gotten so many sweet comments from my viewers. I love your channel. I hope that you're getting compensated by YouTube through this, finding success on YouTube. And I always comment, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate that. But am I really getting compensated for my time making videos for YouTube? Hey, if we haven't met, I am Phoenix and I am the tattooed piano teacher. And today I am pulling back the curtain to show you my YouTube analytics and to let you know how much I make per month on YouTube. This right here was my very first video. That was June 18th, 2023. And so if you're watching this at the time of me uploading it in July 2025, the channel has been around for 2 years. This video right here that I'm filming will be my 130-second long form video posted to this YouTube channel. And I've also posted over 100 YouTube shorts. If you have a new YouTube channel, I know the number one question on your mind is, how long did it take you to get monetized? How did you do it? I got monetized on YouTube March of 2024. So it was just under a year of having the channel and posting regularly. My channel blew up because of one video. Maybe you know which video it is. It's the only video I've ever posted in my channel that, let's say, went viral. This video currently has, I think, 55,000 views, which is not really viral, but for me it is because I typically just get a few hundred to 1,000 views on my videos. The video that changed it all for me was this one right here, why most students never make it past level 3. That video went up in February of 2024 and got picked up by the algorithm and was shown to tens of thousands of people, and a lot of people clicked on it and watched. A lot of the people who watched that video also subscribed to my channel. Bless their souls, they got me monetized. Video went up in February of 2024. I was monetized by the end of March 2024. Before that video went up, I had between 100 and 200 subscribers, and that jumped up way past 1,000 just because of that one video. Now, why did that one video do so well? Because it appealed to people who were learning the piano, not just people who taught piano. So the algorithm picked it up and showed it to people who were interested in learning piano content, and they watched it and they subscribed. Some funny things happened after that because a lot of the people who subscribed to me were maybe like not my ideal audience for most of my videos. I had a lot of unsubscribers in the following months and years, and I still have people unsubscribing every time I post a video, probably realizing this isn't for me. And that's totally fine. Those people still helped my channel get monetized and they put a little money into my pocket, so I'm not complaining at all. So let's open up my YouTube analytics. I'm gonna show you some of the statistics and then we'll get to the $ numbers. So first of all, let's look at how my subscribers grew over time. As you can see, that huge spike is the one viral video that I was talking about. Interestingly enough, I also have a downward spike from another particular video. So there was a video that I posted in October of 2024 that got me more unsubscribers than anyone has ever seen in one day. Okay, probably not. But I will tell you at the end of this video what that posted video was and what it was about. Here's a graph showing my views over the lifetime of my channel. It's pretty hard to see the trends because of that one big spike is making the rest of my graph look so linear. And then here is my watch hours. Now remember, if you're looking to get monetized, you want subscribers and you want watch hours. So both of those have to happen before you get your channel monetized. Okay, let's get to the reason that you're here. How much money do I make on YouTube? So here's a graph showing the revenue that I have made over the lifetime of my channel. So obviously you can see where I got monetized, and then it's honestly been pretty steady from there. Over the 2-year lifetime period of my channel, I have made $573.99. Now for a little dose of reality, if you're a new YouTuber, in my first year posting videos regularly to YouTube, so from June 2023 to June 2024, I only made in total $56.51. That's because I only got monetized at the very end of my first year. Most of that year I was making $0. And the majority of my earnings have been in the past year, the second year of my channel. So that would be June 2024 to June 2025, which is $440.61. So how does that break down on a monthly basis? Well, as I mentioned, my revenue is fairly consistent. Here's my last full month of income. Drum roll please, and anticlimactic dollar figure. $39.10. And this is very typical for my YouTube channel. So yes, I make around $40 a month as a YouTuber. Yeah. I don't know what that breaks down for, like, getting compensated for making a video, but I don't want to know. So the question now is it really worth it? To me, it is, because I'm not doing YouTube to make money from YouTube ads. If I did, I would need to pick a different topic, not talking to piano teachers. I would need to talk to a bigger audience and get millions of views if I wanted to pay the rent on my YouTube revenue. But that's not what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to build a community of people that are interested in the same topics I am. In other words, piano teachers for the most part. And then hopefully if they find me on my channel and they end up working with me or buying some of my products, then that's how I pay the bills. And so YouTube works into the big picture of how I plan to make a living talking to piano teachers, but it's not the biggest piece of the puzzle as far as direct revenue goes. I hope that makes sense. So what was the video that spiked in views but got me all of those unsubscribes? It was this video right here, Predict Who Will Fail. In this video, I talked about how two students who look like they're in the same situation, or one looks like they are more likely to succeed at the piano, it's actually the one who puts in the more consistent effort over time. That was the point of that video, but a lot of people didn't like it for whatever reason, or decided I wasn't their favorite YouTuber during that video. So I will link that video if you want to check it out. But before I let you go, I just want to mention a few ways that you can help small creators on YouTube. Now that you know that we make pennies on the hour for what we do, how can you support YouTubers? There's a few things that you can do that don't cost you any money that will actually get your favorite YouTubers more revenue, or at least help them grow their channel. The easiest one is to like any video of theirs that you see. By the way, please like this video, to comment, and to subscribe to their channel. A lot of times we watch video after video from a YouTuber, but we don't actually bother to subscribe. And that subscriber count does help them get brand deals, get monetized, helps their channel in general. And a big part of getting a YouTuber the watch hours that they're looking for is to watch their videos all the way through. And if you have a penny to spend, most YouTubers will have the super thanks button, which is on the bottom of every video that I post. And if you hit the super thanks button, it's like you can leave a tip of your amount choosing. I also put a buy me a coffee link, which is just another way to leave me a tip of any amount. If a YouTuber's talking about a product that sounds interesting to you, be sure to check in the description for links to that, because they might get a little bit of kickback from Amazon or wherever you buy that from. Those are called affiliate links if you're gonna buy it anyways. And if a YouTuber has their very own website, very own products, sometimes linked within the YouTube videos like I do, buy a product for a couple bucks. It'll mean a lot to that creator. Speaking of linking products in the videos, if you are a new YouTuber and you're in the music realm, you want a little bit of help getting started, I would love to work with you. I offer one-on-one coaching. And if you want to keep watching, obviously YouTube is not how I'm paying the bills. So how am I paying the bills? I made a video all about the different income streams that I have in this realm, and I will see you there or on another video very soon.